Assalamu alaikum. There was once a young man named Ali, living in a small village surrounded by mountains. Life for Ali wasn't always easy. He worked hard, but often found himself overwhelmed with worries and doubts. Every day, he would head to the fields, carrying his burdens on his shoulders, unsure of what the future held. One evening, as the sun was setting, Ali's father sat him down and shared a story from the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. His father spoke softly. "My son, do you know the power of Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim? It's not just a phrase. It's a shield, a key that opens doors, a blessing in disguise. The Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, taught us to say these words at the beginning of everything we do, for they carry the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful." Ali listened carefully, but he didn't fully understand. So his father continued, "Let me tell you a story. Prophet Sulaiman, AAS, when writing to the Queen of Sheba, began his letter with Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. It wasn't just a formality, it was a declaration that his message was from Allah, the most merciful. And it changed the course of history. The queen, a powerful ruler, was moved by these words and came to accept the truth of Allah's guidance. Curious, Ali asked, "But father, how can these words help me in my daily life?" His father smiled. "Ali, whenever you feel uncertain, whenever you start something new, say Bismillah. It will calm your heart and remind you that Allah is with you in every step you take. Whether you are planting seeds in the field or facing life's challenges, saying Bismillah turns your actions into acts of faith. And when your intentions are pure, Allah fills your path with blessings." The next day, Ali decided to start his day differently. As he prepared for work, he whispered, "Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim." He repeated it as he sowed seeds in the field, as he took care of his animals, and even as he shared bread with his neighbors. At first, nothing seemed different, but soon, Ali noticed a shift. His heart felt lighter, his mind clearer, and somehow his tasks felt easier. It was as if the weight of the world had been lifted off his shoulders. Weeks passed, and Ali continued to say Bismillah before every task, no matter how small. Slowly, he began to see the fruits of his efforts. His crops flourished, his relationships deepened, and he found peace even in the toughest of times. Ali realized that the real power of Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim was not just in the words themselves, but in the faith they carried. It was a daily reminder that he was never alone, that Allah's mercy was always with him, guiding and protecting him through life's ups and downs. And from that day on, Ali lived with a heart full of trust, hope, and unwavering faith, knowing that with Bismillah, anything was possible. From Ali's story, we learn that the power of Bismillah lies not only in the words, but in the trust we place in Allah's mercy and guidance, turning every action into a blessing. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our future reflections. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.